Today I'm going to show you how to replace your air filter right here. Here's the part number. And your water filter on your KitchenAid. The part number is, well, it replaces these models right here. I think those are the part numbers. How to replace it on this KitchenAid fridge. Don't mind the mess. We had kids over. Haven't been able to clean yet. Here's the model number. I'm sure this works on different fridges as well. So right now we have to take all of this stuff out. This is where the water filter is, and then the air filter is all the way in the back. This is where it shows you when you need to replace your water filter. It'll flash over here, and then eventually it will say replace water filter. I've had this since 2023, and this is the third time I'm changing this filter. All right, so I have everything pulled out except for a couple things. Here is the air filter. It just lifts up like this. This right here is what tells you when it needs to be replaced. You can just replace the filter, air filter, when you replace the water filter. So let's pull this out of here. Here it is. All right, so here's our new filter, and it comes with a new tab. Here is the old one. Definitely time to replace. Old filter, new filter. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in there. Before we do that though, you wanna activate this, which I already did. You just push this in the back, you'll hear it pop, and then this line will appear, and that's how you know to activate it. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and put this new air filter in here. You will just pop it in, just like that. These ears right here are gonna be facing towards you. This, you can just put it in here if you'd like. There we go. So we got the time thing in there. Tells you when to replace it, so it shows up right here. Now we're gonna do the water filter. You're gonna pull this all the way up, and it pops out the filter. Just enough to where you can go ahead and grab it. All right, so here's this one, the old one. Here's the new one. We're gonna take this off the new one and just put it back on here. Now, this is how it's gonna go in here. Just like this, you're gonna put it like that. Make sure these O-rings are still on here and they're seated properly. If not, you're gonna have a water leak. So it just goes in like this. Push it in, make sure it's pushed in all the way. You hear it click. It's filling up with water. I can hear it filling up in there. Some air's coming out. Also, you're gonna wanna fill a cup up about, I would say 3 to 4 times. As you can see, it's a charcoal filter. So the water is gonna come out black for the first couple times. So you just wanna make sure you get that all out of here. So now we're gonna go ahead and remove this from the screen. You're gonna go to options, reset filter, and you're gonna click confirm. It's gonna beep a couple times, and that light is no, it's not on here anymore. So we're all good, we have no leaks. That's how to replace the air filter and the water filter in your KitchenAid fridge.